Most of the people, like I said, if you're a professor, being fashioned by a Western institution, how then do you know about African philosophy? What content are you going to bring? So we need to get out, move out of these structures, all of these institutions on the continent, and look for content, because content is there. In Africa, there's no continent or country in the world that possesses literature that we have in the continent. Volumes and volumes and volumes of literature. All we have to do is to go back, dust that information, present it as it was before. How do you civilize the world? Then you become, at the end, you are now following your children. Because you gave back to them. Huh? They are all your children. Now they are teaching you what you are supposed to teach them. Because of the ignorance. You are ignorant of yourself. That's the problem. That's why we find ourselves in this predicament. Because there is no leadership on the continent. All we are breeding is people that have been, fashioned by Western thought. Nobody stands up there and say, me, I can quote, Shikanta Job. Those are great people. Huh? Theophile Obenga. There's so many people. Abumfundishi, there are so many people outside this Western system that we need to rely on. And people that have actually showed the way how it's done. Shikanta Job tells us about the oldest, constitution in the world. It's an African, constitution. So why is UNISA and other, institutions not learning about that? Because that should be the basis of our, constitution. It then poses a question, like I say, I don't know what contribution am I going to make, talking about transformation, because what, we need to do, we need to remove, I'll make an example. The father of medicine is Imhotep, not hypocrite. Yes. So that's where it should start. We should now start teaching about Imhotep. But if our institutions don't, give us that information, because they don't possess, the colonizers told them this is the truth, yes, and nothing else. Yes. So those are things that we need to critically, because you see, if we don't do that, see, as a generation